Want to study Japanese language? Visit our Facebook page at Plastone School. Or you can click the link in the description. Sign up now and create your future with us. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated on our latest videos. Plastone Language School Incorporated.
Hello everyone, my name is Maureen Joy from Pullman. In this video, we will be discussing about verb stem iku. Verb stem iku, or commonly known as purpose of going. If a person moves to another place in order to do something, we can describe their movement and its purpose using verb stem iku. Pumunta ako dito para gawin ito, or pupunta ako dito para gawin ito. May reason ka or may purpose ka sa pagpunta sa isang lugar na yun or sa destination mo. Before that, let's discuss verb stem. In this slide, taberu, tabemas. Minus mas equals tabe. Our verb stem for taberu is tabe. Yomu becomes yomimas. Minus mas, our verb stem for yomu is yomi. Next is nomu becomes nomi. Kau becomes kai. And au becomes ai. These are our verb stem. Anong pattern ang susundin natin para sa purpose of going? Una is destination of movement, pertains to the place, followed by particle ni or e. Then the purpose of going, which is the verb stem. For example, kanina, taberu naging tabe. Then followed by particle ni and the verbs ikimas, kimas, or modorimas. So, ang English niyan is, I will go to this place to do this action or to perform this action. Our first example here is, depato ni kaban o kai ni ikimashita. Depato is our destination of movement, followed by particle ni, and our purpose of going is kaban o kai ni or kaban o kaimas, to buy a bag. Then, followed by particle ni and ikimas. Dito naka-past tense siya. So, ang meaning niya na is, I went to the department store to buy a bag. Pumunta ako sa department store para bumili ng bag. Meri sangwa nihon ni nihongo o benkyou shi ni kimashita. Meri sangwa nihon ni nihongo o benkyou shi ni kimashita. Our destination of movement here is Nihon, followed by particle ni, and our purpose of going here is Nihongo o benkyou shi, and followed by particle ni and kimas, which is naka-past tense dito, so kimashita. In English, Mary has come to Japan to study Japanese. Our purpose here is to study Japanese. Pumunta siya ng Japan para mag-aral ng Japanese language. Okay, our next example here is watashi wa kisate ni kohi o nomi ni ikimasu. Watashi wa kisate ni kohi o nomi ni ikimasu. Our destination of movement or our place here is kisaten, followed by particle ni, and our purpose of going here is kohi o nomi, followed by particle ni and ikimasu, which is to go. So, our English here is, I will go to the coffee shop to drink coffee. Our purpose for going to the coffee shop is to drink coffee. Pupunta ako sa coffee shop para uminom ng kape. Our next example here is, ashita yubin kyoko ni futo o kai ni ikimasu. Our destination of movement here is the yubin kyoku, followed by particle ni. Our purpose of going here is futo o kai, followed by particle ni and ikimasu. So, in English, tomorrow, I will go to the post office to buy envelopes. Our next example here is, watashi wa restaurant ni ramen o tabe ni ikimashita. Our destination of movement here is the restaurant. Our purpose of going here is ramen o tabe and ikimashita. So, I went to the restaurant to eat ramen. Pumunta ako sa restaurant na yon para kumain ng ramen.